Hi, this is Margaret Byrd, and welcome to Color Quest. Welcome to Svalbard. I am at 78 degrees north on the close landmass to the North Pole. Why am I here? I am on an artist residency, and I am looking at the natural colors that this incredible Arctic wonderland can bring to me. But today, I'm out doing one of my favorite things to do with natural color, and that is create ephemeral installation. And I do that with ice. So I am out today doing a series of installations and across this next week. So I'd like to invite you to join me as you can see the passion of what I love to do with natural color.
Coffee's ready if you'll have some, and breakfast should be finished soon. The paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day. That song you used to sing me? What's that dance we used to do? Is this house quiet or just empty? Do you hear the silence as loud as I? been one of those.
So there aren't many roads here, and we have been lucky enough to have a car to explore some of them. And one goes up to the top of the last existing mine here in Svalbard, and it's got some pretty remarkable views. Perfect place to do an installation or two today, and there's no wind. So that makes it so much more pleasant to be out and about. Let me turn you around so you can see the view. Pretty amazing landscape. And installations are quite small, particularly in this vast land. But it's the contrast I find super beautiful. And placing ice in locations like this, mimicking what I see, is part of my creative process.
So I'll have dinner on the table. And you can help me pour the wine. The paper called for sun tomorrow. If we make it through tonight. Coffee's ready if you'll have some. Breakfast should be finished soon. The paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day. Mailman another bill. The hallway closet's overflowing with all those shoes too big to fill. So what's that song you used to sing me? What's that dance we used to do? Is this house quiet or just empty? Do you hear the silence as loud as I do? You don't say it like you mean it. I don't mean it like I say. Morning left us both defeated, and it's just been one of those days. So I'll have dinner on the table, and you can help me pour the wine. The paper called for sun tomorrow. If we make it through tonight.
Gosh, you've got to be kidding me. some Arctic ice, some glacier ice, when we took a boat trip a few days ago. And I was hoping to do an installation with these pieces, but alas, that is not going to happen. But you know, that's just the way it goes. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed some of those installations that I did all around this area. Today, there's actually no wind. I want to just express how fortunate and lucky I feel to have been here and to have had an opportunity to do all of these ice installations. And it was super fun having you along. I hope you enjoyed it. Next week on Color Quest, I'd like to show you all of the other things that I made for a gallery opening that I had here in Longyearbyen on Svalbard. So have a great week, and I can't wait to see you here again in the high Arctic next week on Friday. It's okay, babe. It's okay. I don't want you to worry about it. Okay, please?